Good morning everyone. Myself Amrish Patel. I am studying in 9th A section. Today I present a seminar on the types of motion. First we discuss what is motion. Motion means when an object changes its position over a time and changes its surroundings. For example, the car are moving in a constant or a uniform speed. Now we go to types of motion. First one, linear motion. An object moving in a straight line is called linear motion. For example, a car driving on a straight road. Second one, curvilinear motion. An object moving in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. For example, the car take turn on a road is an example of curvilinear motion. Next, circular motion. An object moving along with the circular path is called circular motion. For example, a satellite orbiting the Earth is the example of circular motion. Oscillatory motion. An object moving back or forth or up and down around a fixed point or equilibration of position is known as the oscillatory motion. For example, pendulum swing. Next one, rotational motion. An object movement around a fixed axis is called rotational motion. For example, a springing top. And next one, periodic motion. This type of motion repeat itself at regular intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, earth rotation. Next one, random motion. The movement that has no specific pattern or direction is called random motion. For example, birds flying. Next one, uniform motion. When an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is called uniform motion. In simple words, speed remains constant and there is no change in velocity. The graph of a dt graph in time in a uniform motion is always a straight line. For example,
distance versus time graph.
For example, object moving with uniform or constant speed. Non-uniform motion, an object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. In this motion, either speed changes, direction changes, or both. Acceleration is not zero in this non-uniform motion. The dt graph in non-uniform motion is a curved
line.
Thanks.
Very good.